Take a look at these beautiful souvenir bags. All right, at all my subscribers, can you see these beautiful souvenir bags? So you can see, let me show you. I want you to just go through it carefully. Just take a look at how neat it is. All right, so somebody came into my, like a lady came into my office, I think no, this week. And then, like, it was her mom that brought her here. So the lady, we don't know each other from Adam, but we know each other with her mom. So her mom brought her here because she's, preparing to graduate. All right, so as a doctor. Now when she came into my shop, okay, my office, my factory, like, she was so amazed, like she was super amazed, like she was like, wow. She checked, like, she checked the first item, like my bag. She was wowed. She said wow, that she's so impressed. Like, do you know that she was telling me that she hardly comment on things, but that she doesn't have any, that she doesn't have any, like, any excuse not to, comment. Because so she commended our work here at Tarron Innovative World. She was so like amazed that wow, look at how neat our work is. So she checked our bags, we're into bags. She checked our throw pillows, we're into throw pillows. She checked, and then the neatness. She was like, are we the ones making this? I said yes, that we made this. And then, in fact, you'll be amazed that we are not even using the best of machines, but then God has been faithful. So I would like to encourage you that let quality be your watchword. Let quality, whatever you're doing, you should be concerned about neatness. Anybody that works with me, they know me. My slogan is quality and neatness. So you can't work with me. You cannot work with me like and be doing your things anyhow. Even if you've been doing things anyhow from where you were before, you cannot come and try it in my place, because I know that the only thing I need to give is quality, and then my work must be neat. Even if the material you're using is so quality, no matter how quality it is, but your work is not neat, my dear, you're just disturbing yourself. But even if you use any material, no matter the material you use, let your neatness bring out your work. So I want to show you again. So if you would like to patronize me, abeg, call 080 365 88365. And if you like me to train you on how to become an expert bag maker, you can WhatsApp me on 080 365 88365. So I'm going to train you. The training is just for 10,000 naira. So check out. And for as many that would like me to upload this video, if you like me to make something like this for you, you can actually tell me. You can just comment in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video. Like the video by clicking the thumbs up button, and also click the thumbs up button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to this wonderful channel where lives are being transformed. You'll be amazed the kind of messages I receive from my subscribers. Even those that have not subscribed, a lot of people have gained from this organization. So be a part of this organization. So by subscribing to my channel, go to our Facebook page, Tarron Innovative World. And also there's another page, all right, that is created by me, all right. So the name is Bag Makers World. There you can post your things, or if you have anything you want to post, you can send it to me on WhatsApp on the number I mentioned, all right, so that I can post it for you, or you can go there and post your work. Okay, so it's a beautiful group, Bag Makers World. All right, so thank you so much. So I say, let me show you these. So, and I believe that the owner will so much love this, because so many people that have seen the work loved it. So please let neatness be your watchword, and see you in my next video, or see you in the comment section. Thank you.